Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on can we play Roblox on mobile. If you're wondering whether you could be able to play Roblox on mobile, then this video will guide you through step-by-step procedure. So Roblox features full cross-platform support, meaning that you could join your friends and millions of other people on their computer, mobile device, Xbox, or a VR headset. So that means you'll be able to use or you'll be able to play Roblox on mobile. The only thing you have to do is install it from your respective app store. For that, you want to head over to your respective app store, and on the search box, you simply want to type in Roblox. In my case, I've actually already installed it. Now what next you want to do is simply want to click on the open or just install it and click on play. Once you do it, so then you have to register with your account, and after which you'll be then taken to your official home. So while using Roblox on your mobile, make sure to disable all sort of VPN if you're using an extension, and that's going to help you to play Roblox on mobile. Like you said, you could go with any of these games that you want to play. You just have to make sure to tap open it, and that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.